Yo, if you're looking for easy ways to make money online in 2025, I got you. Just grab your phone or laptop and you're good to go. But listen up, these aren't just any sites. These are money machines waiting to be used. And the best part? Most people don't even know about them. I'm about to share 5 websites that can help you start earning from home today. No experience needed, no investment required. So stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start making $1,000 plus a week online. Let's get into it. 1. Rev.com. Now, if you're good at listening and typing, Rev is a game changer. They pay you to transcribe audio and video content. You listen, type what's being said, and get paid. Simple, right? You can earn anywhere from 30 cents to $1.10 per audio minute, and payments are weekly. Plus, the more accurate and fast you are, the more money you can make over time. Let's break it down. Say you transcribe 90 minutes of audio at an average of 80 cents per minute. That's $72 a day. Work 5 days a week, that's $360. But let's take it up a notch. If you put in 3 hours a day, you could be making over $1,000 a week. That's more than $4,000 a month from just typing. And the best part? You set your own hours. Work whenever, wherever. This is real financial freedom. 2. Clarity.fm. The second easy method is Clarity.fm. This site lets you get paid for giving advice. If you know about business, marketing, finance, relationships, literally anything people need help with, you can charge for consultations. Some experts on here make $100 plus per hour just sharing their knowledge. If you've got experience, why not monetize it? Even if you're just great at giving life advice, you can turn your wisdom into a paycheck. Now let's do some insane math. Charge just $50 an hour and do 6 consultations a week. That's $300 weekly or $1,200 a month. But hold up. What if you build your reputation and start charging $100 an hour? That's $2,400 a month for just 24 hours of calls. And if you go big and charge $200 an hour, that's nearly $5,000 a month working part-time. This is next-level money for just talking to people. 3. Usertesting.com. Wow, let's see, user testing. This site literally pays you to test websites and apps. Companies want real user feedback, and they'll pay you for it. You just sign up, take a short usability test, and boom, you're making money. Most tests pay around $10 for just a few minutes of work, and some go up to $30 for a half-hour session. That's like $60 an hour just for sharing your thoughts. Imagine making money while chilling on your couch, testing cool new apps before anyone else. It's almost too easy. Now, let's do some quick math. If you do just 10 tests a day at $10 each, that's $100 a day. In a week, that's $700. But here's where it gets crazy. Push a little harder, get into higher-paying tests, and suddenly you're looking at $1,000 a week or even more. That's a solid $4,000 a month, just for clicking around on websites and sharing your opinion. And guess what? You can do this anytime. No boss, no schedule, just easy money. We have explored the 3 best money machines before, and the rest are a couple of another quick money-making ways for. Preply.com. All right, if you can speak English, or another language, you can make money tutoring online with Preply. No teaching degree needed. Just help people learn a language. You set your own rates, usually between $15 and $25 an hour, and start tutoring. And trust me, the demand is huge. Some tutors make over $5,000 a month part-time. Think about this. Charge $20 an hour and work just 15 hours a week. That's $300 a week or $1,200 a month. But let's dream bigger. What if you do 30 hours a week? That's $2,400 a month. And if you start charging $30 an hour, boom, that's over $3,500 a month. You're literally getting paid just to talk. Imagine making thousands just from casual conversations. That's crazy easy money. 5. Listverse.com. If you like writing, even just a little, this one's a no-brainer. Listverse pays $100 per article, and you don't even have to be an expert writer. They want fun, engaging top 10 lists on interesting topics. Think about it. Quirky facts, mind-blowing stories, or crazy conspiracy theories. If it's entertaining, they'll pay for it. And here's the secret. You don't even have to write from scratch. Use AI tools like ChatGPT or any AI tools to help structure and refine your list, and boom, you're done. Now imagine this. What if you submit just 3 lists a week? That's $300. But let's turn it up. 6 lists a week? That's $600. In a month, that's $2,400. And if you go all in and submit 12 lists a month, that's $3,000 plus from just writing cool stuff. This is literally making money from your ideas. No degree, no investment, just straight up cash for creativity. So there you have it. 5 insane ways to make money online in 2025. There is no free lunch. Action speaks more than words take action. Just go do your own research and try your best to be financially free. Drop a comment below. Which one are you trying first? And hit that subscribe button. Thank you.